When I was in Thailand, my friend showed me the beautiful color, how to make the best kapoob, and this is he said. All you need to do, you need some green, you need some beef, some pulled beef, some lettuce, basil, and onion. Then after you do that, you put your juice in. This dish right here will cost about $8 to $9. Beautiful dish, beautiful texture, beautiful color, and great taste. A beautiful taste, especially on the day that you are very drunk and you need to sober up early in the morning the next day. A little bit piece of lime, squeeze a lime in there, and some garlic pepper, black pepper, and stir. Look at that pulled pork right there. Looks good. I'm about to eat this right now for you. She wants some? Come get some.